Hello my friends, welcome back to another video of Tech Cover. Today in this video I just want to show you how to fix this problem I face to face with my iPhone device. So you can see when I plug my phone to charger, you can see I got this notification that my phone's not getting charged. So how we can fix it? So here you need one brush and acetone, then you're gonna clear it. Let me show you one by one here on this video. As you can see, we fixed the problem, and this is all about how we can do this. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends if you like the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and see you on the next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye my friends, peace.